with a massager complete and with a cream all in one tubing. I like this product and I'm gonna continue to use it. Okay. Hello my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about a sponsored product from Cobor. Here it is my amigos and amigas. The complete name is Truffle Retinol Desalt Wrinkle Eye Cream. So this one my amigos is very good for the woman who is age 30 above, my amigos and amigas. Why my amigos and amigas? Because according to my research in Google, that women who age 30 above tend to increase wrinkles around their eyes like this here, aka Cobor. So in this video my amigos and amigas, I will tell you the effect, about the functions of this eye cream, the Truffle Retinol Desalt Wrinkle eye cream. So watch this whole video my amigos and amigas. So before we start, my amigos and amigas, I'd like to say thank you very much Cobor for sponsoring me this one, another content on my video. Okay, so this one my amigos and amigas, the functions is it reduces wrinkles, tighten the skin around our eyes. This one here, not the eye bags, okay, the skin surrounding our eyes, it will tighten and lift the eye core, which is lift, make it more young looking. That's what I understand about lift. And also it hydrates and nourishes. So let me show you what's inside my amigos and amigas. This one, the Cobor Truffle Retinol Eye Cream. This one. So I'll open it and show you. So this one, you just press it and the eye cream will come out here. Let's see. Okay, that one. Okay, and this one, the tubing light, is a massager, by the way. This is the massager, zinc alloy massager. So it's very good one because no need to use your finger. You just use this one. I'll show it to you later, my amigos and amigas. So my amigos and amigas, are you irritated that you have wrinkles around your eyes because you may look so old? So this one is very good because it has the key ingredients to decrease wrinkles. What is it, my amigos and amigas? Is the retinol. So R-E-T-I-N-O-L, retinol. It has an ingredients. According to my research again, my amigos and amigas, the Truffle Retinol Desalt Wrinkle Eye Cream, it has a 1% concentration of retinol. So it can reduce the wrinkle around our eyes if we use this one for 28 days. So my amigos and amigas, this one. So honestly speaking, my amigos and amigas, I haven't used this for 28 days. I think I used this for 2 weeks only. Sometimes I forgot, but through using it I can still see the effect in my eyes, surrounding my eyes here. So this one. So why retinol is very important, my amigos and amigas? Because retinol helps our skin for cell renewal and also promote collagen production in our eyes. Not in the eyes, but in the skin surrounding our eyes, my amigos and amigas. Okay, so this one, let's try it. I'm gonna show you a video that I'm trying this one, my amigos and amigas, the Cobor, and let me tell you my review on it. time to review this one, my amigos and amigas, the Cobor. So what can I say about this product, my amigos and amigas? In using it for 2 weeks only, not 28 days, because I totally forgot. Okay, so what can I say? It's very absorbable and easy to use because you'll just open it and apply surrounding your eyes. This one. And what else? It has a massager. That one is very good one. The massager I'm referring to is this one. A massager is a zinc alloy. So no need for you to use your finger, but sometimes I use my finger for easily absorption, like spreading it, the cream like this one. And I can feel it, the moisturizing effect, the eyes. Okay. So look at my eyes. Oh, I still got wrinkles. Well, honestly speaking, I got wrinkles because my age is already 30s. Okay. So, but this one, I think I will use it continuously to improve its effect. Okay. So this one. So what can I say about this product, my amigos and amigas? If you ask me my rating, I'm gonna say it's 10 out of 10. Why? Because it's very easy to use and got a cooling effect as well when I apply it. Okay, and this one. So let me show you, my amigos and amigas, how to use this one. In my part, I use this one. Okay, so open, presumable, example, I cleanse my face, then you can apply this. Okay, then gently squeeze the tube, by the way. Okay, this one, okay, and apply it. Okay, so done applying, my amigos and amigas, this massager. You can use it to massage, or if you're not comfortable, you can use your finger. I use my finger sometimes when I am applying it, like this one. Okay. So that's it, my amigos and amigas, on how to use this one, the Cobor Retinol Desalt Wrinkle Eye Cream, by the way. This one. And also, I forgot to mention, my amigos and amigas, retinol also reduces wrinkles. That's why this one has a retinol ingredient, so it's very good. Thank you for watching this video, my amigos and amigas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye, my amigos and amigas. Keep supporting me. Thank you, Cobor. Another try. Yeah, it has a cooling effect, my amigos and amigas. It's very nice. It's a massager complete and with a cream all in one tubing. I like this product and I'm gonna continue to use it. Okay. Bye.